Imagine this. It's Eid al-Azha, a time of immense joy, generosity, and community spirit, and you have the power to not only boost your YouTube channel but also to spread real happiness and barakah in the lives of others through a well-planned Eid giveaway. Hosting a viral Eid al-Azha giveaway isn't just about gaining subscribers or views. It's about embodying the true spirit of Eid, sharing, caring, and uplifting those around us, just as our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us. The Quran beautifully reminds us, the example of those who spend their wealth in the way of Allah is like a seed of grain that sprouts 7 ears. In every ear there are 100 grains, 2:261, emphasizing the immense rewards of generosity. So, how can you design a giveaway that resonates deeply with your audience, reflects Islamic values, and ignites a wave of joy that ripples far beyond the digital world? First, start with intention. Set your goal not just to grow your channel, but to genuinely benefit your viewers and community. Remember the hadith where the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The best of people are those that bring most benefit to the rest of mankind." Daraqutni. This powerful teaching encourages us to make our giveaways meaningful and purposeful. Begin by choosing giveaway items that align with the spirit of Eid al-Azha. Think about sacrificial animals, Islamic books, charity vouchers, or even sponsoring Qurbani for needy families on behalf of your winners. This way, your giveaway becomes more than just prizes. It becomes a source of barakah and a real contribution to those in need. Storytelling is your secret weapon here. Share with your audience the story of Prophet Ibrahim's sacrifice, his unwavering faith and submission to Allah, and connect it to the essence of giving during Eid. Invite your viewers to reflect on the true meaning of sacrifice and generosity and how your giveaway is a small act inspired by these profound lessons. Engagement is key to virality, so create clear, simple, and fair rules that encourage sharing and participation. For example, ask your audience to share a story of how Eid al-Azha has impacted their life or a moment of sacrifice they cherish. This not only spreads awareness but also builds a heartfelt community narrative that resonates deeply and invites others to join. Use authentic Islamic references to remind your viewers that every act of kindness and charity during Eid is multiplied manifold in reward, as mentioned in the Quran. Whoever comes on the day of judgment with a good deed will have 10 times the like thereof. 6:160. Also, consider partnering with local mosques, charities, or Islamic organizations to validate your giveaway and increase its reach and trustworthiness. Transparency is crucial. Be clear about how winners are chosen and how the prizes will be delivered, especially if your giveaway involves donations or sponsorships. This builds credibility and shows that your channel stands for honesty and true community service. Powerful transitions throughout your video will keep your viewers hooked. Start with a heartfelt question like, have you ever wondered how one simple act of giving during Eid can change someone's life forever? Then transition into practical steps, inspiring stories, and finally a call to action that motivates viewers to participate and share. Emphasize that this giveaway is a celebration of Eid's true essence, encouraging viewers to not only take part but also to reflect on their own acts of generosity. Imagine the joy when a family receives sacrificial meat they couldn't afford, or a young Muslim finds inspiration through an Islamic book they won in your giveaway. These real examples make your content emotionally powerful and share-worthy. Finally, conclude by reminding your audience of the Prophet's, peace be upon him, teaching. When a man dies, his deeds come to an end except for 3 things: ongoing charity, knowledge that benefits others, or a righteous child who prays for him. Sahih Muslim. Your Eid giveaway can be a form of ongoing charity, a seed planted that will continue to bear fruit. So, as you plan your viral Eid al-Azha giveaway, remember to infuse it with sincere intention, meaningful prizes, authentic Islamic teachings, and transparent practices. This approach will not only boost your channel's growth but also spread real joy, unity, and blessings during one of the most sacred times in the Muslim calendar. May your efforts be rewarded abundantly, and may you inspire countless others to give, share, and celebrate Eid al-Azha in the true spirit of sacrifice and love.